Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your age on Yubo. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To verify your age on Yubo, start by opening the app. Your profile will be locked if you haven't done your age verification. As you can see, I'm locked up and cannot move forward. So let's do the age verification. Tap on Verify My Age. Now you need to place your head in this head placeholder. Take a selfie by tapping on the Start Verification. The app will take a few seconds and it will verify your age by seeing your face and estimating your age. This might mistake some people to be under 18, especially teenagers with no facial hair. So it might make some trouble for you, in which case you may be asked to upload a valid ID like a passport or driver's license for extra verification. Once you submit your selfie or ID, and you will receive a confirmation when your age is verified. This process helps keep the platform safe by making sure users are in the right age groups. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.